I have a super easy way to do this, so I'm very excited to share today's video with you. I'm going to show you how to create your own mockups for your online course or digital program. And it's going to take less than 10 minutes. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Louise of louisehenry.com. Here on this channel, I talk all about tech, systems, and entrepreneurship. So if that is something you could use some help with, definitely hit subscribe down below and hit that bell icon as well so you get notified every time I post a new video. So you can actually do this right within my favorite free graphic design tool, Canva. All right, so the first thing you need to do is log in to your online course or group program and take some screenshots of what it looks like inside. So once someone is logged in. So this is what my online course website that WOWs looks like. So I need to take a screenshot. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hold down Command Shift and then hit the number 4. And as you can see, my mouse just changed to look like this. Then I'm going to go up to the top left corner, I'm going to click, and I'm going to hold it down while moving my mouse at the same time, and I'm going to drag it across my screen, and then release. So that just took a screenshot of the inside of my course. Awesome. So you're going to do that, and then you can also do a few other areas. So grab a variety of screenshots from inside your course. For example, if you have a video in there with your face on it, I would click on that and get a still, for example, like that. Okay, great. And then I would take another screenshot of this. And then you're going to go to canva.com and sign up for a free account. Once you are logged in, you're going to click Create a Design. You can just click Custom Dimensions and do 1000 by 1000 pixels and hit Create Design. From here, you're going to click Elements and then scroll down to where it says Frames. Click See All. And here you'll see a computer mockup, a laptop, iPad, and iPhone. So this is what we need. So what you want to do is hit the computer icon. And then you can go to Uploads and upload those 2 screenshots that we just took. So I'm just going to grab those and drag them into Canva. Awesome. So once those have uploaded, you're going to click on the image. You're going to drag it over and put it on top of the computer, and it will autofill that area. Awesome. So that looks pretty fantastic already. If you need to, you can click on it. Then you can hit crop and you can adjust this image. So I could move it over, for example. I could zoom in by pulling on the corners if I wanted. And I could do something like that and hit done. Okay, so you do have some flexibility there. So let's go back into Elements. And what I would recommend you do is then add an iPad. So I would add the iPad and I would resize it so that its dimensions that make sense next to the computer. So something like that. Actually, let's put it on this side so it doesn't cover my face. So we do that, and then I would go over to my uploads, add in my other screenshot, drag it on top, and as you can see, it has filled the space. So in this one, I'm going to click on it, I'm going to hit crop, and I'm going to go over to the table of contents. Okay, cool. Then I'm going to go over to Elements. I'm going to add a phone so that it makes sense and looks like a phone. And let's, pretend I was using this one again. Okay, great. So I'd click on that, hit crop, and choose an area that made the most sense. Maybe I would zoom in actually on this area, something like that. Okay, and hit done. And there you have it. So that is how you create one of those professional computer mockups that you see. Of course, you have a lot of flexibility with these. You can move them around however you like. You could change this. You could move this down here. So just know you have a lot of flexibility within Canva itself. And then when you are ready to download this, you're just going to hit the arrow up here. Choose the file type PNG and then hit download. If you would like a transparent background so that you can place this mockup wherever you'd like on your sales page, for example, then you're going to need to upgrade to Canva Pro in order to get this feature. And it's only $9.95 per month, so super affordable. So I'm going to download that. Awesome, then I'm going to open that up. Awesome, so there is your Pro mockup. So that's how you create an amazing mock-up for your online course or digital program. I also wanted to show you how to create a workbook mock-up like this. Unfortunately, this isn't doable anymore in Canva, so we are going to have to go into Photoshop, but don't worry, it's very simple. Okay, so for this one, you need to first create the PDF in Canva. So what you can do is click create a design, then type in US letter, and this will pull up a standard document. But it'll also include a ton of professional looking templates that you can choose from. So let's say I find one I like. I'm just going to click on that. And now I can actually edit the elements to match my brand. So for example, I use a lot of yellow in my branding, so I can click here and change this font color to yellow. And I could do the same thing with any element on the page. Okay, awesome. So let me show you my Asana roadmap that I created. As you can see, I designed it in here. So now we need to create the mockup. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go up to the arrow, you're gonna hit download, you're going to change this to say PNG. I'm gonna choose the first 3, hit done, and download those. Great, the next thing we need to do is open up Photoshop. So you can get access to Photoshop for around $10 per month as well. Just go to adobe.com for more information about that. Okay, then I'm gonna hit create new, and I just did 1000 by 1000 pixels and hit create. Okay, the next thing we need to do is open our Finder window, go to our downloads, unzip that zip file by double clicking on it. Okay, and then you'll see we have the 3 PNG files. We're going to select all of them and then drag them over here into Photoshop. Awesome, so it'll pull them in one at a time, so just hit the enter key on your keyboard. So 1, 2, and 3. So next you're gonna click over here where it says number 1. You're gonna right click, then you're going to go to blending options, and you're going to click on drop shadow. You may need to adjust some of these settings, but I'm pretty happy with how it's defaulted here. But just know you can move these around if you need to change the appearance. Okay, so in order to see what that looks like, pick up this one and drag it up to the top. So as you can see, there's a bit of a shadow behind it, which is what we want. These don't work as well unless we do have the drop shadow look to it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click again. I'm gonna click copy layer style. I'm going to select these 2 layers here by holding down the shift key and clicking on both of them. I'm gonna right click and I'm gonna paste layer style. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna select all 3. I'm going to click this icon right here at the top, and I'm just going to drag it down to make it a bit smaller. Awesome, then I'm gonna hit enter. And from here, you can start to position your pages. So now you just want to be selecting one at a time. So I have my 1, so I'm gonna move that down here. Then as you can see, we have 3 behind it. So I'm going to click on that, and then I can move that one around. And then we have 2. So I'm also going to move that one so it's visible as well. Okay, so you may need to select them all again and bring them up to the center so you can see everything. So again, I'm going to drag in from the corner and make it smaller so that we can see all 3. Okay, then I'm going to center it, and 2 pink lines will appear so that you know it's centered. Okay, great, and then you can just click right over here. Awesome, so that is how you create this style of mockup. And then if you want it to have a transparent background, just scroll down here to your background layer and turn that one off. Okay, then you're gonna hit File, Export. You can quick export as PNG. Save this as your mockup. And now you have a professional looking mockup for any PDF, ebook, or any worksheet in your course or program. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Now you know how to create your own mockups for your online course or group program. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you soon with another video.